Hello kids and welcome back to my channel Naveen Siksha 1, and today I am presenting you the tens and ones topic, and it is given in your maths book, and it is on the number 8, and it is for class 2. So let's first of all we will see what this girl is doing here. Help me. She is asking for help. Uncle, I want to buy the pencils for 18 rupees. I have just 10 rupees note and 1 rupee coins. How many notes and coins should I give you? 18 rupees means one note of 10 rupees and 8 1 rupee coins. Okay, how many notes and coins do I need to give you 35 rupees? You gave me 3 10 rupees notes and 5 coins of 1 rupee. Okay, uncle, hey, just tell me, how many pencils do you want? None. Thank you, uncle, for helping me with my homework. So this girl is very clever and she take the help of this shopkeeper to do her homework. But we will do these exercises with ourselves, okay? Now draw the 10 rupees note and 1 rupee coins you will give for these things. 20 rupees you have to give 2 10 rupees coins or 10 rupees notes, okay? For this 32 rupees water bottle, you have to give 3 10 rupees notes or 10 rupee coins and 1 coin of 2 rupees. For 55, you have to give 5 10 rupees coins or 10 rupees notes plus 1 5 rupees coin. Okay, now understand? Now you have to count and write here. The money is given here. Means these are the 10 rupee note of 3. So it will become 30. And here 2 notes of 10 rupees and 3 coins of 1 rupee. So it will become 23. And these coins are 10 in number, so it will be 10 rupees. And these are 2 notes of 10 rupees and 7 of 1 rupees coins. It will become 27. And when you count all this, it will become 45. Okay, it will be easy you to count with the help of a picture. Now, practice time is now. This guy is giving you a number and then another one is breaking it into two parts. See how? Okay, how will say a number, guess the breakup. Okay, I will say it and I will do it. 64, 60 plus 4. 25, 20 plus 5. In this way, you can do all these things. Okay, 27, 20 plus 7, 31, 30 plus 1, 54, 50 plus 4, 90 plus 9 becomes 99, 60 plus 3 becomes 63, 36 becomes 30 plus 3 means zigzag. You can do it very easily. Now come to the next part, that is a bangle throw. Means see this, Karma and Geser are playing a bangle game. Karma has drawn the bangle on the dots. Okay. Each big dot is equal to 10 points and each small dot is equals to 1 point. The dot inside the bangle are 4 red dots. It means it will become 40 points, and 4 green dots it will become 4, and together it will form 44 points. And in this way you can also make this game and you can also enjoy it. Next, the same game is here which you will do with your friends. Now you are at home, so you can do it with your family members or with your sister or brother. Now see, let's read this story. The Flute Man and the Rats. This is a flute man, okay? And this is a king. I want someone to catch the rats in the basket. For each rat, you get 1 gold coin. Okay, this guy is saying, the king, maybe the king is saying these things. The flute man came here, okay, and said, okay, I will do it. With a flute? Yes, with the flute man do it, and all the rats go behind him. And in this way, he take out all the rats from the city. Now my reward, sir, I have collected 80 rats. But how did you count so many rats? The king asked the question, how did you count all the reds? Simple. What she has did? Simple, I use these cards. I count one red and keep one triangular one card in my pocket. One for one red. Okay? Like two for two reds. And this way, six for six reds. And when I have 10 cards, I change it with this, the yellow 10 written card in my pocket. And in this way, he has counted out the 80 rats. So you will make the cards here, like I have written, one is drawn for you and another one is written for you, like 4 of 10 and 7 of 1 card. In this way you can draw. Okay? And the king gave him gold coins. So the king gave him 80 gold coins. He started counting, but he found that these are not 80 coins. Can you guess what happened the next? If the king will not give him the 80 coins, what will happen? He will left all the rats again in the city. And see what will happen to the king. The king is overcrowded with the rats. The rats are jumping over it, biting his finger on the cap, in his clothes, and in this way he was punished by the flute man. Good. The last exercise is clean school day. Means we have to clean our school today. We make teams. Each team has 10 students. Means they have to make the team of 10 students. Each team has 10 students. Our team will clean the best. Here we go, rub and scrub. So see, these are the number of students in the classes and these are the classes. We have to make the teams. Means if the class 1 has 53 students, how many teams we will form? 5 teams and 3 students will be left. In the class 2, 4 teams will be formed and 2 will be left. And in the class 3rd, 3 teams will be formed and 5 will be left. In the class 4th, 5 teams will be formed and 4 will be left. And the 5th team, 2 teams will be formed and 6 will be left. Now see the left students. If we count the left students, the sum of all these become 30. And with these 30 students, we can make other 3 teams. Okay? These 3 teams. Now practice time. Teams of 10 in your school. Now you have to make the team of your class. And then you will tell me how many teams you have made in your class and how many students are left in your class. Okay? See, this is all about the chapter and thank you for watching it. If you like it, kindly share, subscribe my channel.